Assalamualaikum, this is Gulru Hassan and welcome to Blue Art. And today I'm going to give you guys a tour of this modern house which has a total covered area of 4,000 square feet and is designed and constructed by Blue Art. This building is surrounded with amazing community with full-time security. It has 5 bedrooms with attached washrooms and walk-in closets, TV lounge, dining area, dirty kitchen and clean kitchen. And they say location, location and location, and this really is no exception. Yes, we're talking about Lakeview block of Bahriatown, Rawalpindi, a modern property with humanist style from everything. But I'm not going to stand here all day talking about it. I'll give you guys an inside tour of it right now. As soon as you'll approach the main entrance, you'll be greeted with pinewood digital door. So immediately when you enter into the house, you see this cantilever staircase. It's wooden planks, it's metal strips. You will never see such thing ever in your life. The 28 feet triple heightedness, the chandelier and the vaulted ceiling. Throughout all of this house, you will only see luxury and modern architecture. Personally, I really love the burst of colors and soft textures. This homely central living space combines the practicality of the dining area, the clean kitchen, along with the provision of automatic washing machine, as well as the ironing bar.
And right now we are in the kitchen on the ground floor. All the appliances in the sleek minimalistic kitchen are designer fitted, along with the automatic dishwasher and other appliances for the convenience and feasibility of the household members.
And guys, the most astounding features of this kitchen are these ladders and pantries with built-in microwaves. And now we are in the master bedroom. A bright and airy atmosphere flows around this whole area with the direct access of this room to the views outside. And it's such a lovely feeling you get after coming across such small details and modern art. We also have wardrobes along with the washroom, which has designer fitted fixtures and features. And we also have a split level TV lounge, which is quite huge and has 14 feet high, while having the carpet flooring as well as the mesmerizing wooden louvers and media wall at the front. And yet, I have another surprise for you guys. One will hardly believe that a 10 Marla house has a segregated and quite secluded study area in it. Let me give you a sneak peek of it. This is the second bedroom on the ground floor with attached washroom. You guys can have an inner look of this amazing room while I'm waiting for you guys on the staircase. I believe that you guys loved the room, so now let's go on the first floor and explore it. So come with me. So guys, this is the third bedroom of this house on the first floor. And this room has a cozy atmosphere and it boosts the stunning views from outside. So let me show you guys. Now, this is another kitchen on the first floor. Well, I can imagine myself cooking here for my family and serving while enjoying this huge vividness at the same time. And now, at my most favorite place of this house where all the magic happens, perfectly sized walk-in closet. And believe you me, I'm in love with these so many cabinets and shelves. Every girl's dream, isn't it? We have two other bedrooms on the first floor with perfect sizes and luminosity, quite charming and appealing. So well, guys, this bathroom has been fantastically integrated and characterized by the contrast of dark colors, black marble and dark wood with Grohe and Rocca symmetry. I think it's very stylish, isn't it? This iconic loft is one of my other most favorite parts of the building, where one can come in order to have a reading time while enjoying a cup of coffee at the same time. Oh wow, what an amazing particle that adds such a character to this property. One of the things that I like the most is that when I'm standing here and look around, all I see is greenery, plants, and peace. Isn't it amazing? So this place is outstanding for evening and morning leisure time. that was all from my side, and I'm sure you guys loved this designer house. So until 𝑻𝒉𝒆 𝑘's next video, bye-bye.